Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the essentials: price history, fundamentals, and recent news into Gemini. Tell Gemini your objective, swing trade, long-term value, or earnings play, and state a time horizon and risk tolerance. Once done, upload CSV or JSON files or paste structured tables. Make sure column names are clear like date, close, volume, EPS. Then enter a concise prompt that requests specific outputs: trend signals, valuation ratios, and a watch list ranked summary. This primes Gemini to analyze systematically rather than guessing context. Next, instruct Gemini to compute both technical signals and fundamental overlays. Request moving averages like 50/200, RSI thresholds, MACD crossovers, and highlight volume anomalies to catch momentum. Simultaneously ask for P/E, PEG, revenue growth, and margin trends to balance price action with fundamentals. Once Gemini returns results, refine the prompt, narrow date ranges, reweight valuation versus momentum, and ask for charts or table exports. Make sure to finally ask Gemini to produce a ranked list of trade ideas with clear entry, stop loss, and target levels, plus concise rationales for each pick. Export the summary, supporting charts, and model assumptions to CSV or PDF so you have an audit trail. Once complete, backtest quickly on historical slices Gemini used. If anything looks off, troubleshoot by checking input timestamps, filling or removing NA/NS, and confirming time zone alignment. These fixes resolve most mismatches between model output and market reality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.